To assemble your new remote, you will need your Duracell case and pad, your old remote, scissors, and a flathead screwdriver. A heat gun or lighter may be necessary as well. The first step in assembling your Duracell case and pad is to take your scissors and safely remove your new case from the package like so. Now, taking a flathead screwdriver, open your old remote to remove your electronic board. At this point, you will want to replace your battery. To do so, open your board with your flathead screwdriver and remove the old battery. By opening your new case, you will find a brand new battery to be inserted plus side up in your electronic board. The next step is a very important one. Within your old remote, you will find the transponder chip that is programmed to your vehicle. It is important to transfer this chip into your new remote to ensure compatibility with your vehicle. Be sure your plastic buttons are removed before continuing. To remove your chip, it may be helpful to have a heat gun or lighter if the chip is stuck. If necessary, be sure to heat the area with safety gloves on in a well-ventilated area. Once heated, remove the chip with your flathead screwdriver. Now, taking your new case, insert the chip into the slot with the flat side up. It will fit snugly. Once inserted, place your electronic board and your new remote and secure the back plate on. When pushing any button, you should see a red flashing light indicating that your remote is powered. Your Duracell case and pad is now successfully assembled.